This is my 2022 GMC Sierra 2500 HD with the towing package and fifth wheel prep, and I wanted to do this quick video on the installation of the OPT7, and sure you've read the disclaimer. Not an electrician, not sponsored by them. I purchased everything out of my own pocket. Now I will say that I did reach out to the company and they did respond fairly quickly. The only thing is they advised me that this triple row light bar would not work on my truck. It would give errors and things of that nature, and the only option was 2 light bars that they recommended, which I did not want to do. So that's why I'm doing this video, because there is a way of installing it on, if you have a 2022 GMC like I do, it can work. And here is the video.
This has been something that I've been wanting to do on my 2022 GMC Sierra 2500 HD with towing package, fifth wheel prep ready on my truck, and decided to go with OPT7 Lightning. It's the Redline, and this is how it comes packaged. I got the amber one, not the red. And this is going to be a quick video about how it's going to work on the truck, because I messaged this company and they said it wouldn't work on my truck. So I decided, hey, let me just try it out. And then I bought this. This is similar to the wire harness for the Putco. It's the 52900 Putco harness, and that will make it work for my 2002 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. Now, I did plug in this bar directly into the 4-pin connector just to see, and of course it didn't work. That's the whole point of this harness here, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to do that, and I'm going to show you what I did with the light bar. I already took it out of the packaging. Pretty much everything's out of this tube right now. That's pretty much what it came with, that, and then I'll show you what it came with. Alright, here is the bar. This is the 3-tier bar. I'm sorry about the video, I'm using my cell phone and I'm just doing this quick. It's pretty much 3-tier bar. This is the one that, like I said, I messaged the company. They said it wouldn't work, and decided to do this, and I decided to do the magnets. Now, they sell their own, but you can get any magnets you want. I'll put everything in the description what I got. Now with my truck, actually real quick with the magnets, this is what I got. I got the black bar magnet, 60 by 10 by 5 millimeter, 24 piece on Amazon. It was pretty cheap. But I decided to do 2-tier magnets on each one. I'm going to probably add a few more.
Forgot to add, the reason why I did a 2-tier magnet was because on the back of the back left of the truck, on the Pro Tailgate truck, there is a pretty large metal piece that's sticking out. If I were to put this light bar straight on, it doesn't matter what light bar I would get, it would not sit flush onto that small space where you put the light bar at on my truck anyways. So that's why I used 2 magnets rather than 1. I tried 1, didn't really work very well, but just wanted to give you guys a heads up on that.
When I purchased this harness, it didn't have the it was actually missing the metal pretty much pin that goes in here, so it pretty much, here, give me one sec. Alright, so I'm back. So pretty much when I bought this, it didn't have the pin to pretty much go into this part of the harness. So the Putco, this is the reverse wire, and of course this is the wire for the bar itself. So pretty much I had to crimp this, and I'll take some photos and I'll snap them in there so you see what I did. It was not I didn't do a very good job, but you'll get the point of it. Some of the harnesses do come with it. Mine was missing. The company, they can send a replacement, so I did get a replacement one, but I was waiting for it. But I have these in like a kit pretty much with the crimping tool. I mean, you don't really need the tool. You could use this. It's maybe kind of difficult to do, but it can be done. For the install, I'm just showing you real quick using the harness, like I said, and then everything's all ready to go. Just wanted to show you real quick. Also, too, to note, now it depends on the harness. For some reason this one didn't have a mark. Some of them have right, left. For this one here, it has the green wire. That's going to be my right side, and then blue is going to be the left. All right. So this is pretty much self-explanatory. I mean, I'm just going to show you. This one is left. Yep, this one is right. Like I was telling you from mine, green to green. And you pretty much match. Okay, make sure it's seated well. Push that red tab in. Now, for mine, it was right in here. That red tab you got to pull back like this. If it will actually do it on camera. There you go, pull it back. You push this in for this to release and come off. Okay, it's kind of a pain in the butt. You can do it. It just could be a pain. My truck is a 2022, and I live on dirt roads, so it's kind of dirty. But there you go. All right, and from there, okay, and I'll clean this up. Take this one there. Let me make sure. Yep. Okay. It's kind of hard to do this and record, so my apologies. Okay. Here, actually, let me turn on my light for you guys. That's my bad. Okay. It's in, and there we go. Okay. So, like I said, this is the harness, and like I said, I'm gonna clean this up. But yeah, so for me, like I was telling you, green. So that's original green. Green, right side, and then the left side doesn't have any green, so it's blue, so it's going to go on that side. But your wire harness could be different. Just showing you what I have mine, and I'll put mine in the description. It's extreme speed or something like that.
I did have to mute the audio here because my family decided to come outside and start talking and things like that. I didn't want to hear that, but I just wanted to show you guys a quick video on how it looks at night, and it's a great light bar. The only thing that I have a complaint is that I just wish the company, I mean, I guess I don't know if they test them on all vehicles or they just go based off a spec. I'm not sure, but it clearly works perfectly fine, no issues at all. I haven't encountered anything yet. I've already driven on this a few times. I took everything apart just to do this video because I didn't see any people doing any videos on any 2500 HD. I've looked at most of the Amazon reviews. I mean, it's mostly 1500 trucks, and for some reason not this one. Some people have had luck with an alternative. It's just the Kurt adapter. It's the 57004. That did not work with my truck, but this harness did. And like I said, no issues. It's great. I love it. Like I said, the only complaint I have is I just wish OPT would have, maybe did their research too. I don't know. I mean, it's no big deal. I mean, I decided to take the time to buy it, try it all out. If it worked, it worked. If it didn't, it didn't. I really don't want to spend $700 or $400 with the Putco brand. Don't get me wrong, it's a great brand. It's very, very nice. I know a few people that have it. It's a beautiful light bar. But these light bars are great too, at a great price. And if you guys have any questions or concerns, let me know. I'll try to help you the best I can. And sorry if the video came out a little messed up in some way. I just don't have a lot of time and just wanted to show you guys real quick. All right, thank you, and I hope you enjoyed the video.